Namaste everyone, Rohit here from IndieOneUp, and today in this video we are going to see how easy it is to install NVIDIA RTX Voice software on non-supported GTX cards. Also we are going to see if this AI is really worth the hype it has created or not. To download RTX Voice software, just type in RTX Voice on Google and visit this first link provided by NVIDIA. There will be description about this software that you can read, and you can download the software itself from here. Once downloaded, double click on it. It will take a while since it is extracting itself. Upon extraction, it will tell you that this application is not supported. What we are going to do now is to traverse to that extracted folder location, and it is C temp NVIDIA RTX Voice folder. Here we have all the files that we extracted. This is the setup. If you use it, it will again tell you that we cannot install it, right? So now you need to go to this particular folder. There is a file called RTX Voice. You can open it with Notepad or any kind of text editor. Open it. Here you will find that there is a constraint that actually blocks us from installing it on GTX cards. You need to delete that and save this file. You might be unable to save this file because of the administrator privileges, and in that case, close this. Go to the search bar, type Notepad, and then run this as an administrator. Now, once opened, open the particular file RTX Voice by traversing it to the same folder location. Here you need to check this drop-down box and click all files. It will show the hidden file. Since it is an NVI file, not a text file, and edit the same constraints. Delete it by selecting it and save. This time it will definitely save. Double checking it. Now if you run the setup again, you will find that it is now allowing us to install on the GTX card. You can agree and continue, and the process will be completed just as usual. After a restart, you can start using the RTX Voice on GTX cards. And as a proof, I am showing you a snapshot of GPU Z. To test the NVIDIA RTX Voice software in live action, we are going to use Audacity. To be able to use noise suppression of this particular software in Audacity, we need to change corresponding input and output devices. These options are also available in other apps and require you to do the same steps there too. What you are going to listen now is unprocessed voice recorded by me for the sake of this experiment. This is the basic noise profile of my room I am currently recording in. It is about -30 decibel noise floor when I ain't speaking anything, as you can see. Now let's try NVIDIA RTX Voice software with it. The noise floor has reduced by 30 decibels. If we try to use half power of noise suppression, it seems like it isn't able to completely remove the noise. So as per my requirement, I am going to push it to 100%. And there we go. Similarly, if you have a pre-recorded audio that contains noise in it, you can use the second checkbox in the software and that is going to remove the noise for you. If you happen to have a very noisy environment in your room and you are trying to eliminate with this particular software, then beware that your audio quality will suffer with that. So keep in mind, the cleaner environment you have, the better result you will get with this software. That's it for this video guys. I hope you liked it. Comment, like, subscribe and join me on Patreon. The link is in the description.